My least favorite things about space, part 25. On Halloween night in 2003, Earth was in the throes of one of the strongest solar storms in recent history. A similar event occurred just last year, causing disruptions in satellites and other GPS-guided technology. But neither of these were quite as strong as the 1989 solar storm that left 6 million people in Quebec without power for 9 hours, which in turn was only around a third as strong as the largest solar storm on record, the 1859 Carrington event, which very famously caused telegraphs to spark and start fires and had workers waking up early thinking the sun was up. But data gathered from ice cores and tree rings show evidence of two events that were up to 10 times worse than that. One happening in 775 AD and the other at the end of the last ice age. This of course had little to no effect on the people at the time because they didn't use modern technology. But if I was busy trying to hunt a woolly mammoth with a spear to feed my cave family and I looked up and the entire sky lit up like a Christmas tree, I would probably think it was the end of the world. It's also worth noting that the event in 775 AD occurred at solar minimum, which is the exact opposite time that we predict these things to happen. This goes to show that even the strongest solar storms can occur at literally any time. In fact, a solar storm of similar magnitude to the Carrington event narrowly passed us in 2012. If that storm had hit us head on, it could have knocked out satellites, made phones inoperable, and even overloaded generators, which could leave cities or even entire countries without power for months or even years on end. In the modern day, with tensions rising between so many major countries, somebody might use that as the perfect time to strike.